Good morning, students. Welcome back to your maths class after a long holiday. As we all know that our academic performance test is going to start soon. So, today we will start revision.
How to write these large numbers? There are various methods to write the numbers. Let's see each of them. We can write the numbers in standard form, expanded form, and word form. When we are writing numbers in standard form, we can either write them using Indian system or using international system. Indian number system, also called as Hindu-Arabic number system. This system consists of 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Ones is divided into 3 parts: ones, tens, and hundreds. Thousands is again divided into 2 parts: thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs is divided into 2 parts: lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores is divided into 2 parts: crores and 10 crores. In the same way, international system also consists of 3 periods: ones, thousands, and millions. Ones consists of 3 parts: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands consists of 3 parts: thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions consists of 3 parts: millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So these are the 2 number systems which we usually use to write numbers. Now let's see an example of Indian number system. Here we are having a random number. We will first place them under each and every subsections of periods of Indian number system. So after writing like that, now we will write them in words. So this number is 9 crores 83 lakhs 21,546. Now let's see an example of international number system. So again we will just write down the numbers below the place value chart. So this random number can be written as 98,321,546. Now let's see how to write numbers in expanded form. In expanded form, we write the numbers as the addition of place values of its digits. For example, let's take this random number 5,143. So how we will write it? As we have studied earlier the place value charts, so keep those periods and classes in your mind, which will help us now. So after writing the place values of each digit above them, now we can write them as 5,000s plus 100s plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. Another method. Here we are again using the same number, but the method of writing will be different. We will write them as 5 into 1000 is equal to 5,000 plus 1 into 100 is equal to 100 plus 4 into 10s is equal to 40 plus 3, which gives us the second method of expanded form. Now the third method. Again we are using the same number, and here we will again take help with the place value chart. So 5 is on the thousands position, so we'll write it as 5,000 plus 1 is on the 100th position, so 100 plus 40 is on the 10th position, so 40 plus 3 is on the ones position, so 3. So 5,000 plus 100 plus 40 plus 3. This is your third method of expanded form. Now let's see some examples of it. 72,641. So we can write it like this from the first method, like this from the second method, and like this from the third method. Taking another example, 3,80,762. So we can write it like this using the first method, like this using the second method, and like this using the third method. Now moving towards the last form, which is word form. Again, the place value charts which are going to help us. So here is our place value chart and it's a random number. The method to write these numbers is same as we have studied earlier, just the difference is that earlier we were writing the numbers in digits and now we will write the numbers in words. So this number is equal to 76 crores 20 lakhs 80,905. We can see some more examples over here. The first one, 2,314. Second example, 94,430. And the last one, 6,72,963. Remember, we should know all the concepts of place value chart because this is very important to understand this topic clearly. How to compare numbers? There are multiple ways for the comparison of numbers. Let's see. Numbers with different number of digits. If the two numbers being compared have different number of digits, then the number with the more digit is the greater one. Let's see an example. 4,512 and 359. When we compare these two numbers, the very first thing which we can see it very clear that the first number is having 4 digits while the another number is having 3 digits. So the number with the greater number of digits is the greater one. We can say it 4,512 is greater than 359. Moving forward, here we can see how to compare the numbers with the same number of digits. If two numbers have the same number of digits, we compare the extreme left digits. The number with the greater extreme left digit is the greater one. Let's see an example. Compare the numbers 714 and 398. As we can see it very clearly that both of these numbers are having same number of digits, but the number 714 is having 7 as the extreme left digit, while the number 398 is having 3 as the extreme left digit. While comparing 7 and 3, we can tell it very clearly that the number 714 is the greater one. Let's see another example. Here the two numbers for comparison are 2,128 and 4,972. Here also both of the numbers are having same number of digits, but the extreme left digit in the first number is 2 while the extreme left digit in the second number is 4. While comparing 2 and 4, we can say clearly that the number 4,972 is the greater one. If the extreme left digits of two numbers are the same, we compare the next digit towards their right and so on. Let's see some examples. Here are some numbers. The first number is 6,428. The second number is 6,319. Here, when we are comparing these two numbers, we can see that both of these numbers are having same number of digits. But the extreme left digits in both these numbers is same. So what should we do now? We will move towards their right. Moving toward the right, the next number or the next digit in the first number is 4, while in the second number is 3. So when we compare 4 and 3, we can see it 4 is the greater one. So we will write 6,428 as the greater number. Moving towards the another example, which is 2,456 and 2,438. Here we can see that both of these numbers are again having the same number of digits, and both of these numbers are having 2 as their extreme left digit moving towards their right, we are having 4 in both of these numbers as their extreme left moving towards their right. We are having now 5 in the first number and 3 in the second number. So when we compare 5 and 3 together, it is clear that 5 is the greater one. 2456 is the greater number. I hope you all have understood enough about comparing numbers. Now here is a question which you can try by yourself. Study well, take care, and thank you.